This is what the product looks like on the skate when installed. These hockey laces are stretchy, which allows you to get your foot in and out of the skate easily. These laces don't tie the skate, but hold in the foot better. To loosen the skate, pop the dial outwards. To tighten the skate, press down the dial towards your shin and turn clockwise. To begin the installation process, take out existing laces. Clean the tongue of the hockey skate. Get rid of any dust, dirt, or debris. Take out the fabric wire from the bag. Feed into the bottom eyelets located at the toe. Make sure each end of the fabric wire are the same length. Skip eyelet 2 and cross over into eyelet 3, going outside to in. Repeat this step for other end of fabric wire. Continue on the inside of the boot, skip 3 eyelets and go from inside to out. Repeat this step with other end of fabric wire. Before removing film, grab the dial mount and match the arrow cutout to the top ankle eyelet. Remove film from back of dial mount and apply dial mount to the tongue of the skate. Press firmly everywhere on the dial mount for 30 seconds. Grab the wire looped feeder. Feed fabric wire into wire looped feeder and leave an excess of 1 inch. Feed the wire looped feeder through the looped hole. Repeat this step for the other side. Feed one end of the fabric wire into the ankle eyelet from inside to out. Repeat this step for the other side. Here's a side view of which eyelets the fabric wire should be fed through. Grab one dial and make sure the red arrow on the spool is aligned with the black arrow on the outer dial. They should already be aligned. Feed fabric wire into wire loop feeder, leaving approximately 1 inch of excess. Use the other end of the wire loop feeder and feed into dial hole 1. Make sure the wire is fed through the dial and coming out of the spool. Repeat this step with other end of fabric wire for dial hole 2. Tie a regular knot at the end of the fabric wire, leaving approximately 1 centimeter at the end. Repeat this step for other end of fabric wire. We recommend using a house lighter to singe the end of the fabric wires so it doesn't fray. Pull the fabric wire tight to the spool so it sits in the indent of the spool. Align arrow on the outside of the dial with the arrow on the dial mount. Push dial into place. Once dial is in place, press firmly and turn counterclockwise till you hear a click. Press dial down to tighten skate. Make sure system works smoothly. Pop open dial and grab the hockey stretch lace. Feed the hockey stretch lace as if you would any other skate. Tighten slack after each eyelet. Feed the lace through all of the eyelets except the top ankle eyelet. Option 1. Tie a bow like you would any other skate lace or shoelace. Option 2. Knot off laces using washer. Grab the lace washer. Feed the tip of the lace through the washer. Slide washer down to the wall of the skate. Tie off a regular knot on top of the washer. Cut off the excess of the hockey lace, leaving ½ an inch of the lace left. Use a house lighter to singe the end of the hockey lace so it doesn't fray. It's time to hit the ice. Thanks for watching.